Let's talk briefly about a concept that is prevalent in our society, which is actually culture bound. Now, in Sinhalese, this is called Diyaniyange Sulu Warada. Now, if you look at the marriage proposal section in the newspapers, quite often you find this term, daughter's little misdeed or the mistake. Now, I personally have a problem with this concept. Now, it is being spoken as the daughter is the wrongdoer here. What about the boy or the son who perpetrated this, who did this? The girl surely cannot do this on her own. Now, on the other hand, we have already discussed in our other videos that a girl can be subjected to loss of virginity. Virginity can be lost due to various reasons. It might be deception, it might be rape, it may be that a previous relationship ended due to whatever reasons, perhaps family pressure. Now, so the girl loses virginity, and then she is termed a daughter or a girl who has committed a mistake. So, whatever the reason is, it is, I think, difficult for us to change our culture overnight. These concepts are not going to go away immediately. So what do we do? It is possible to have your virginity restored and repaired so that you can face marriage like a virgin. And when you get married, of course, during the wedding night, there will be bleeding because you face the marriage and the first sexual intercourse as a virgin. So the virginity membrane or the hymen will break down